Hello YouTube friends and welcome to my channel. So in this video I would like to give you a follow-up or update on my Boker Plus Sanjo, and what I mentioned in my unboxing video, that there is a problem with the pocket clip, and so I did a few things that I would like to talk about in this video. This is something you can do it by yourself with minimum tools, of course. Some spare parts will be needed. So firstly, as I mentioned, I did try to anneal the steel, or how to better describe it. Basically, I put it on my fire stove and try to heat it evenly up as much as possible, and then let it cool down naturally with air. That helped a little bit, so I'm getting a little bit more flex, as you can see here, but unfortunately you can see the construction of the handle scale is that the scale is curved this way, so much more tension is applied, plus more material is here, and less material, also less space is available for your pocket of your jeans or so on. So with this one, I could do it. I could put it in my pants with a little bit more, let's say, strength, a little bit more push. But at the end, this was not the ideal scenario. I would like to carry this one. The second thing, what probably would help, if I had maybe longer screws and put I don't know, a piece of paper or a piece of plastic underneath to basically lift it more up, to give it more space for the fabric to be stashed in here. The second thing I did was, as I mentioned, that maybe I did mention in the video, to try to swap out the pocket clip. So basically, when I did look the pattern of the holes, I did see that a lot of Chinese made knife, like for example, this is the Best Techman Dundee, has the same pattern of two holes. For example, also here is the CJRB Pyrite Old, and lots of more Watchman. And basically what I did ended up where I did to take, so these are just your standard 2-hole deep carry pocket. I did ended up to take one apart, put it inside, and not even the hole aligned, but also the screws were the same size. So basically then I looked in my inventory, and my probably one of my pocket clip of choice was the pocket clip that was on the petrified fish. This is the Viking. So I took it apart and just put it there, and I will pause the video and do the assembly and show it to you. Okay, so swap is done, and as you can see, now I'm getting lots of space here for the fabric, plus I have deep carry, almost true deep carry functionality, with a really nice flat screws there. So big thumbs up for Petrified Fish too, that they have chosen such a really nice pocket clip. I'm pretty sure I have mentioned this in the video of the Viking. So I did swap the Boker Sanjo pocket clip back to the Viking here, and as you can see, still very stiff, even now after that treatment that I have done. But now, in my opinion, this is how I prefer to carry this one. Nicely almost hidden, nice thin narrow pocket clip, which could be seen also as a pen clip, so nobody will be alarmed that I carry a knife, but everybody does. Basically where I worked, so this is not the point there, but yeah. So this is what you can do by yourself if you probably if you have one or more knives from China. Just look at the pocket clip, and if you would like to have this beautiful knife in your rotation, then just do the swap, or if you don't, then just go on eBay or AliExpress or your favorite knife retailer, and they maybe will have spare pocket clips, or you can just ask them if they have something from warranty or so on. Maybe they can sell you or give you one out. Okay, so this was just a quick update about the Boker Plus Sanjo. I really like this design. Really nice Tanto configuration. Really happy to have it in my collection. And so if you have any questions, please leave comments down below. I'm more than happy to reply as soon as I can, of course. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Big thumbs up to you. I always appreciate taking your time watching my videos, letting me know what you think about the video, about the knife, so that I can improve on the quality of the video. So let me know if you have any questions. With that being said, wish you a wonderful day. Stay safe. Hope to see you soon. Bye.